Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this SQL tutorial series, we are going to see extract function. So first of all, let's understand what is extract, and then we will see the real-time example. So extract, it's used to extract the specific part from the given date. So mainly it has been used in the date related concepts. So let's see the example. So what it's saying, you want to extract the specific format apart from the given date, so then you can able to use the extract function. So for example, you have a extract. What is the syntax? Extract, open bracket, and you need to specify what is the you expect. I need year from current year, current date. So I want to, from the current date, I want to get the only year. So you, from the current date, you want to get only specific part, right? So I am going to use year. For example, you need only month, so just you can specify month. So from the current month, so current date, you want to get the month, so you will get month. So if you want extract the uh, day of the week, so you just specify the day of the week. Basically, in this week, what is the number? So for example, if it's 0, it's a Sunday, 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday. So basically it's a Tuesday, so we are getting Tuesday. So basically we will get 2. So for example, you need day, so just you specify the day, so you will get month of, it's a 23. So from the month it's 23. So if you want day of year, so DOY, so run the query. So it's a 357th day. So yeah, that's a thing we will get. If you want get what is the current week, so yeah, extract the week. So it's a 52th week, right? So we will, as per our requirement, we will get that details. Fine. Let's go to the real-time example. So we have a employee table. So from the employee table, we have a hiring date. So we need to get only the hiring year. So how do you achieve that? So just you can use extract, open bracket, specify the, you need only year, right? Year from hiring date, right? So you specify the column name and you just run the query, you will get the year from the hiring date. So yeah, so this is a usage of extract. So today challenge is, so just extract the month from the hiring date. So just write the query in the comment box. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.